Giraffe's referral bonus is tied to the referral offer shown inside the app, so the exact reward can change instead of staying at one fixed amount. By the end, you'll know how the Giraffe referral system works, where to find your referral code or link, and what to check when a referral reward does not appear. Start by opening Giraffe and looking for the Referral, Invite, or Rewards section. The app should show the referral offer and the requirements connected to it. Check those requirements before sending your link, because simply installing the app may not be enough to trigger a bonus. Next, copy your personal referral link or code and send it to the person you are referring. They need to use the correct link or code during the sign-up process if Giraffe requires one. If they create an account without using your referral information, the referral may not connect to your account. There can also be eligibility conditions attached to the promotion. For example, the referred user may need to complete a qualifying action before the reward becomes available. Because these conditions can change, use the requirements displayed in your Giraffe account as the source of truth, rather than relying on an old referral code or a screenshot from another user. If your referral is missing, check the referral page first and confirm that the person used your exact link or code. Then check whether the required action has been completed. If everything appears correct, but the reward still does not show, use Giraffe's in-app support option and provide the referral details they request. One more thing, avoid using referral information from random websites when the app provides your personal code directly. Referral promotions can expire, change, or apply only to certain accounts, so an older code may not produce the same reward. The key points are simple. Find the current referral offer inside Giraffe. Make sure the new user signs up through your referral link or code, and check the listed requirements before expecting the bonus. Your next step is to open Giraffe, go to the referral section, and read the current terms shown there. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Giraffe guides and fixes.